Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Advocate Shobik Dian. Now, in this video, I am going to talk about COVID-19 vaccines. So, first of all, we have to understand that what is vaccine. Vaccine is a suspension of weakened, killed, or fragmented microorganisms or toxins or of antibodies that is administered primarily to prevent disease. So, vaccine is basically prevent disease. How do vaccine work? Mimic disease agents and stimulate the immune system to build up defenses against them. What are the types of vaccines? Now, first is whole pathogen vaccines. In this category, there are two types of vaccines: inactivated vaccines and live attenuated vaccines. What is inactivated vaccines? It is used the killed version of the germ that causes disease, and it is used to protect against COVID-19, hepatitis A, polio, rabies. Second one is live attenuated vaccine. So live attenuated vaccine uses a weakened form of the germ that causes disease. It is used to protect against COVID-19, rotavirus, smallpox, chickenpox, yellow fever. Second one is subunit vaccines. In this category, there are three types of vaccines: conjugate vaccines, toxoid vaccines, and recombinant vaccines. Third one is nucleic acid vaccines. In this category, there are also three types of vaccines. Number one is mRNA vaccines, number two is DNA plasmid vaccines, number three is recombinant vector vaccines. So mRNA vaccines is naturally present in all of our cells. It is a single-stranded molecule naturally present in all of our cells. It carries the instructions for making proteins from our genes located in the cell nucleus to the cytoplasm, the main body of our cells. mRNA vaccines make protein in order to trigger an immune response. mRNA vaccines are used to protect against COVID-19. Recombinant vector vaccines, it is used a modified version of a different virus as a vector to deliver protection. It is also used to protect against COVID-19. Now, in India, there are three types of vaccines are available: Covishield, Covaxin, and Sputnik. So, what is Covishield? It is a live attenuated vaccines. In previous slides, I am explaining about live attenuated vaccines. So Covishield is a live attenuated vaccine. It is made from a weakened version of a common cold virus from chimpanzees. It has been modified to look more like coronavirus, although it cannot cause illness. Covaxin. It is an inactive vaccine, which means that it is made up of killed coronavirus, making it safe to be injected into the body. Now, third one is Sputnik. It is used to different viruses that causes the common cold in humans. It is a combination of two different adenoviruses. One is AD26 and second one is AD5. Now, what is adenoviruses? The adenoviruses is that cause the common cold are combined with SARS-CoV-2, the viruses that causes COVID-19, spike protein which prompts the body to make an immune response to it. Vaccine nationalism. When a country manages to secure doses of vaccines for its own citizens or residents and prioritizes its own domestic markets before they are made available in other countries, this is done through pre-purchase agreement between a government and a vaccine manufacturer. So that's all about vaccine. Make sure you subscribe my channel. If you want to know more, click on the link mentioned in the description box. If you want to know any legal related topic or any tax related topic, let me know in the comment box. I will make video on that topic on my next video. Thanks for watching.